Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. The video topic is about how to get verified based on a Twitter. So first of all, you need to come on a Twitter. And you need to make sure that your account have logged in on Twitter. So I want to tell you something that if you're new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for further any videos update. So let's get started the video. So first you need to come on Twitter home, then you need to log in your account. I have logged in my account, so you need to search on address bar that help.twitter.com/forms/impersonation. Then you will see this interface. After seeing this interface, click on an account is pretending to me or someone I know. Click on that. Then you need to click on I am being impersonated. Then you will see username of the account you are reporting. So which account or which username you want to reporting, then type on that there. Then and you will see your username option and you will see your email address and what you want to tell about what kind of report you want, and type on there. After writing on there, then you need to submit your government issued photo ID to confirm your identity. Then you need to press on submit. After submitting the report, then Twitter will take some time for verifying a report. After verifying a report, they will shortly notification to you that you already verified or not. I hope you guys get understand, and I think you like our effort. If you enjoy our video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.